What's going on, guys? Hogie 1685, Project Prowler. We are in full swing today. We are gonna fix that front end. So, got a little table saw set up, got some supplies, some wood, insulation this morning, and we're gonna give her. Like I was saying earlier, guys, some of the rot was in the front here by this piano hinge here. So I'm gonna rip that off. We're gonna take that off and dive in. Okay, so we got the front off here. That's where the propane tanks are. And you can see, I've already been playing around inside. Look at all the rotted wood. This is right into the trailer here, so we're gonna fix all this up. Here we go, guys, the inside. I got some more ripped down. Yeah. Today is the day. We are gonna strengthen everything up, and yeah, we're gonna insulate this bad boy. Here's the worst part here. That is just rotted. So we're gonna fix that all up, and yeah, here we go. Update here, guys. We got the roof all properly supported now, and I think the problem was here where the rubber roof meets the aluminum here. This wood was so shaky before and weak and not supported, and now we have it all supported. So what happened before is, I think when the two flex between the rubber roof and the metal, your caulking can only take so much, and eventually that caulking is going to break away, and I think that's what happened, and the water just came in here and just ran down the front. Oh my goodness, look at this. We got all this. We're going to rip out all this rot. We're doing it right now. We're going to replace it with all new wood, and that's what we're looking at right now, guys. So lots of work. It's hot out. I'm glad I got the Coleman mock just giving her. This is my little shanty town I got set up on the front of the trailer here, get out of the sun. But I've been underneath here. This is the front lip where the piano hinge is, all the way across. Propane tanks go here. And so I've been getting all the rotted wood out from the other side of this aluminum siding. And you can see right up into the trailer. So I got it all Oh, I don't even know if I get the shot. I got all that old wood pulled out along here, all the way down. It's like, look at this, guys. Just a pile of just rotten wood right there. But we're getting her done, so she's gonna be good. Okay guys, a little bit of an update. Oh, I'll shut the air conditioning off here. Little update. We got all brand new wood in here now. Oh baby, that looks nice. And we used that pressure treated brown sienna wood, so that's why it looks kind of dark. I was gonna go with cedar because it smells good, but they didn't have any. So here we got all our roof joists already beefed up. That's all cool, like 100 times better than factory. It's actually got some support now, and we'll go outside and show you what the front looks like on the piano hinge here. Oh man, it's a nice day today guys, but she's hot in the trailer even with the AC on. It's just having a hard time keeping up because we're in and out of the trailer and we had the front end all ripped open. So anyway, here we go in the front. Here's my little shanty town again. Oh, here it is, all nice new wood all the way along, none of that rot. And we are going to I got some ice and water shield over here left over from when we did our roof years ago, and so we're gonna tuck that. I'll show you in behind the aluminum here. Tuck it up in here and come around and cover all this wood and then come down, and that's gonna seal that all up nice there from the weather. And yeah, that's the front end. And then I'm gonna clean all this up, and there's the cover over there. I'm gonna clean this all up and then we'll paint it eventually, the hinge. But yeah, that's what we're at right now. I don't know if you guys have used ice and water shield much on roofs, but this stuff is a pain in the butt, but it is really good stuff. And up there, we're getting the shot there. You got a little wrinkle, but like, come on, it's hard. But there we go, it's all sealed up. It's all tucked up underneath the aluminum here. And I think the lighting's just, yeah, there we go. See a bit. Got her all tucked in there, guys, so she's all nicely sealed up, new wood, good to go. Here's a little before wire wheel and after. Well worth it to take the time and clean it up. That's it for Project Prowler today. Hogie Senior's heading out. He's had enough. I whipped him too hard today. We got the front all back together. I just threw some quick paint on. You seen I wire wheeled it, and I didn't want to leave it just bare metal, so threw some quick paint on it. It looks a lot better. And we'll go ahead and open it up here. Make sure it still hinges open. Yeah, you won't be able to see because there's no light, but that's all good and done and fixed, and we're really happy with that. So yeah, she's coming along. We'll go inside real quick and show you the end product. Guys, we got her all braced up, and we really braced up this roof because that's where the problem area is. And we got wedges in there now, glued. So like, I mean, you stand on the roof, it's all supported. And yeah, my dad did a great job. Really appreciate him helping me out today. So there, that whole front lip is all fixed, brand new wood. We are good to go. I still got to finish stripping some of the interior plywood around the windows and pull out all the staples, and then we can insulate and put the paneling in. But yeah, there you go, guys. That's how she looks right now.